This is a review of the MANSCAPED Lawnmower 4.0. Now this is one of my favorite trimmers. I use this for one reason and one reason only. If you're a fella looking to get this product, you probably know what area you're shaving with this. Now, it has a very clean shave. I've never been nicked with it, not once. You just click once to get it started. You have the LED light. If you don't like the LED light when it's on, you just hold the button down for about 3 seconds. Turns off. If you want it back on, hold it down for another 3 seconds. Boom. Now, if you're traveling, I'm sure it's happened to some of you before where on accident an item in your bag will hit this button and it'll start buzzing in your bag while you're traveling. So it just wastes the entire battery. Travel lock mode, tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You'll see this little signal pop up. Now if you try to click it, it won't start. To get travel mode off, you click it 3 times. You'll see that sign again. Click it once and you're good to go. This trimmer comes with a simple charger. Here it is. Comes also with the USB box. Simple USB connection. Plug it in the wall. And all you do, you sit on it just like that. Super nice stand, sleek. It just looks good in the bathroom.